In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to type cursed letters in Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to type cursed letters in Roblox is to use this website. You don't even to download anything. Just look for cursed text Big Bangaram and then go to the first website. As you can see, this website by Big Bangaram will allow you to type out any text and you can make your text cursed, as you can see here. Just first type out your text. As you can see, I wrote hello there, and now I have a lot of options to pick from. Let's say I want to use this cursed text at the top. Just click these two squares to copy it, and now as you can see, I can paste it anywhere I want, including Roblox. After you copy this text, just open up Roblox and join any server where you have access to the text chat. Wait for it to load, and after you are properly loaded into the experience or game where you want to send your cursed text, you can just open up chat and then press Ctrl V to paste your cursed text. As you can see, I can see the text right here and send it in chat. I hope I was able to help you on how to type cursed letters in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.